Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can review this. This is Tecno Pop 9. It's kinda a nice phone which everyone would like to use. They have given it nice looking cameras which like that of iPhone. And they have tried to make a kinda quite different from the Tecno series of Pop which have been coming, but this one is kinda good and nice looking from the behind, as you can see it. And the charger, it's still the original one with the USB, and it's charging using the Type-C charger, which is good and transfers data very fast. And the headsets plus the pin for removing the SIM card, and the 1 year warranty to show it's like legit, plus the back cover, like as you can see above, there is 4 years plus lasting fluency. So this means that it's not 4 years guarantee, it's like 4 years receiving the updates. That's the challenge which is on these phones. In the camera, it's using 13 megapixel on a main camera. In the display, it's nice and smooth. It uses the side fingerprint. Then we power the phone on and see how it operates and how it's working. Here we set the language which we are going to use in this phone. As you can see the camera with the flashlight. So wow, the SIM slot where you can put the SIM card, and the selfie camera which is in the inner within the screens. It's having the dual speaker up and down, which means like the sound of it when you're playing music or anything, it's pop with the headset. Here we say the phone like a new phone. Here you click next, you skip on the Wi-Fi. You accept terms and conditions. You skip for the setup for the password. Here you check the camera how it operates. It's kinda good. After checking the camera, you see the inter switch of the apps, how it moves, how faster it is. You can see the version of the Android.
As you can see, the 4 years warrant for the system update, which I have told you. Beyond those, you can keep on using the phone, it's okay, but it cannot operate well to receive the system update, to update it so that it can work very fast. So you have to put that in your head. That means roughly like Tecno phones gives a phone for 4 years, then you change the phone. That's why it's releasing many phones at the same time, and like almost in the month of like 2 months interval they release a phone. So meaning you change the phone which you have been using and get another one. Then for the battery, it's okay, it's 5,000, so it means it can last for a long time. Then for the gestures, it's using like Samsung gestures. As you can see, it's nice looking in the appearance. So please guys, subscribe this channel for more tech videos.